On this episode, we're taking the rack and pinion out of the car to rebuild it, service it, clean it, you know, the stuff. So if we pull back the carpet, you're in my way, but I'll do this. If you pull back the carpet, there's nuts right here. What's touching me? Oh, key. So there's two nuts on this side, there's two nuts on the other side, and that's the mount for the rack. Those are 13 millimeters, and then the other point of contact is right there. That's the set bolt on the steering assembly. So we got to take that out. This would have been easier when I had the seats out. Would have been easier when I had the carpet out. Well, let's just put it like this. It's never going to be really easy. Come here. There's a nut on the other side. I don't know if this is gonna work. Take this. Put this here. Come here. Come. Okay, I can do this. Put that, stop! Put that there. And then we're gonna come over here and put this here. Got it. So there's that bolt. Oh, this might move, which would be great if I stop bumping everything. Maybe it'll pull off. No, of course not, because I gotta get an angle on it now, or I have to take that thing off. Come here. Yeah. One. Where is it? It's in there. And then the one down here. Come on. Got it. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Y'all will just have to pretend like you're watching. I can't tell. Yeah, it's still on there. I'm gonna give a slight spread. steering wheel's loose. That's cool. Slight spread here. And there it goes. So the rack is out. Let me go grab it. Sorry. Okay. So we got it out. I'm gonna put my gloves back on because keep my hands a little bit clean. So you can see the difference in the inner tie rod. This one's floppy. This one's still a little stiff. It holds its position. So this one's got a little bit more wear on it, which is, I mean, I want to say it would, I want to say it would be okay, because I don't feel anything in and out wise. But I went ahead and ordered new ones anyway. So to take this thing apart, well, let's go over the basics. So this is where it mounts to the car. These are the mounts. These are really stuck. And then you have bushings. These are just like regular old rubber bushings. It's going to be hard to get them mixed up because they're two different sizes. So if these are jacked up, you can replace them with polys. And then there's the rack. I can't spin it like that. Okay. So other than being dirty, it's okay. So it kind of goes like this. This part faces down. And then what we have to do is take these ends off, pull this, and then we can pull the whole rack apart. We don't really need to, but we're gonna. So these are pinned, and we're gonna pop that up so we can take it apart. So this is 1 3/16, and I don't have a wrench that big, but this is a tool made for taking these things apart. So I'm going to put it in the bench vise here in the way. Can you see? Sure. The way this works is this thing goes on like this, and then this goes in here, and then it has a thingamajig on it. It's kind of a pain in the ass. This goes on here like this. This slides over, and then you lock it into place. Give it some humps. Wrong way. Right way. Not the right way. I'm gonna need a bigger with a dugger. Or a better pin. Better D-pinner. That didn't work at all. 450. Stand by. 450. Come on. Everything is against me. Okay. $4.50. Put this on first. No longer pinned. And then $7.50. Really? You suck. Give me that. This son of a... Bro. Oh, I guess you caught most of that. It really wasn't that hard. I don't know why those tools wouldn't break it off, other than you're losing a lot of torque with this big tube. So if you don't have a 24-inch wrench, I don't know what to tell you. You can get them at Harbor Freight, but this one is Craftsman from a way back, and you can see whatever happened to it. It was bent once or twice. Come out. So these are the same length. They're exactly the same. So you can put them on either side. But we're getting new ones. There's not even any Loctite or nothing in there. Somebody put that on like it was nobody's business. So this is pinned, which means it doesn't want to come out. And this is not going to pull out from either side. I don't think. If it did, that would be great. But it's not, is it? Nah. So let's just look and see. So there's a plate, a washer, looks like the same one for the, that doesn't matter. And then there's a spring. This is what maintains your tension. Yeah, see, it's a lot easier now. Oh, there it is. So this is your bushing that maintains your tension on your steering rack. So now maybe we can get it out? No, of course not. Because we got to pull this thing off. $22. It's a 22. All right, come on. Oh, well, of course you are. And it looks like you're gonna fall apart. What is, oh, it's just gonna fall apart. So there's a pin. What is that? That is a bushing. That is a rubber gasket. So I'm at the end of taking this apart. Why? Because this is disintegrating on me. It's aluminum, and it looks like crappy aluminum, and it's not going to come out. So I can't pull this rod all the way out. But it's not that big a deal, because I'll just clean it like it is and get all this grease off. We can still get our bushing in on this side. We can still put our inner tie rods back on. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. You can buy these brand new for less than 200 bucks. So right here, you can see the scoring from where this bushing is rubbing up against it. But it's different types of metal, so it's okay. I'm just looking for any broken teeth or something like that. But I don't see any. And this is where that bushing was supposed to be, but no longer is, or was, or something. So I'm gonna put it in the parts. I'll put it in the parts washer and clean it off. I'll take a break.